Now let's begin with chapter 2, impact of population on environment. What is the effect of population on the nature? So in this topic we will read that what is the characteristic, what are the features of population, what is the impact of population growth on the environment, and what are the results of overpopulation. So you will read more about population on the environment. There is a key thought given here that the earth will continue to provide us the sources only till long man also is able to utilize it in the proper manner. As long as the people of the world do not part with the nature's balance, it is a responsibility which carries from one person to another. That means in this chapter we will read what is the effect of population on the environment. We will read that population affects the balance in nature. So you know, if the population will be more, then more people will be utilizing the resources, and when more resources will be utilized, then more resources will be used, and when more resources will be used, it will create imbalance in nature. So therefore population has to be controlled. So what is the effect, we will read in this chapter.